Hello everyone, welcome to Manoeuvre Education. So in this particular video, we are going to see Tissnet 2021 Quant paper solution. Okay, so this will be what? Part 2. Already I have given part 1. In that I have covered 1 to 5 question. Okay, so that video already has been uploaded on our YouTube channel. So kindly visit our YouTube channel and just check out that video. Okay, and after that come for the next part. That is what part 2 I'm going to discuss in this particular video. Fine. So let's begin our discussion. But before I begin, I want to tell you that we have launched our online live preparation batches. So let's crack it. क्या करना है? Crack करना है 2022 का Tissnet. Okay. So here, what you have to do all, you have to call on the given number that is here, or you can visit our website, which is nothing but manoeuvreedu.com/MBA entrances. Okay guys, so here you will get all this stuffs which is on your screen, right? So let's begin without wasting our time, and here is what the question number 6th. So how basically we are going to do, you should know that you have to do the question first, after that see my explanation, okay, by pausing the video. So let's begin with the question number 6th. Hope you must have tried. Now see my explanation. Here the question says increase in area of rectangle if both sides are increased by a quarter. Okay, so if I draw a rectangle, in rectangle you will have a length and a breadth, right? So here it is saying both side मतलब length भी और breadth भी दोनों क्वार्टर से बढ़ रहा है. क्वार्टर मीन्स 1/4 and 1/4 is nothing but 25%. So here this question is saying basically the length and the breadth of a rectangle is increasing by 25%. So what will be the total change in area, right? So how basically you have to find out? By using the successive increase of percentage. Okay, so take your initial area as 100, right? और फिर क्या करना है? 25% से increase हो रहा है, so just increase by 25%. So you will land up on 125. Okay. After that, its breadth is also increasing by 25% ना, तो क्या करना है? फिर से 25% increase करो जो value आपके पास अभी है उस पे, right? So if you'll increase 25%, then you will get how much? 1/4 of this 125. अब 1/4 कैसे आया? You know 25% in terms of fraction you can say 1/4. तो 125 का 1/4 will be nothing but 31.25. So this will become 31.25 which is nothing but 25%. ठीक है, तो अभी क्या करना है? इससे इंक्रीज करना है. You have to increase by 25%. So 25% is nothing but 31.25. So you have to increase by 31.25 from this 125. So if you add, you will get 156.25. Right? मैंने क्या किया? ये 31.25 have added in this 125. So you are getting what? 156.25. So I can say the overall area has been increased from 100 to 156. Okay, so it is increasing by 56.25%. Okay, and that is what your option number first. So this is how easily by successive increase of percentage you can do this question. Let's move ahead. Now we'll see the question number 7th. Here it is saying 5 cubes of side 5 centimeter joined. What is the surface area? So you can see here, you can see there are 5 cubes which has been joined, and you have to find out the total surface area including all the 5 cubes, right? So first of all, we'll know what is surface area of cube. So surface area is nothing but, okay, so this is what the surface area, right? So basically if I talk about this 2 cubes, first and last, here it is forming 5 surfaces. How? Here you can see 1, 2, this is 3, bottom 4, and here 5. So total 5 surfaces here, 5 surfaces here. But the middle cubes will form only 4 surfaces because this side and this side is get omitted, right? So you can say 5 here, and here 4, 4, 4. So total 12 plus 10, 22 surfaces. This all 5 cubes combine forming, right? So now you have to find out the area of one surface. You have to multiply that by this 22. So here 5 into 5, that is nothing but L square. So you will get 25, right? And you have to multiply that 25 with this 22. So you can do one more thing. You can write this as 11 into 2 into 25. Now you can easily multiply 25 to the 50 into 11. So you will get what? 550. And that will be what? Your answer, which is nothing but second option. Hope you're understanding. Let's move ahead. Now for every 60 unit, that minute hand moves the hour hand. So very easy question. For a minute, just let this 60 unit as 60 minute. So in 60 minute, the minute hands move one round of this clock. Yes or no? Of course, it is revolving one round. But if I talk about hour hand, then it will revolve. If it is 2 and it is 3, then I can say only this much it will revolve when you will talk with respect to 60 unit in terms of minute, right? So here you can say here it is revolving only 5 minute with respect to minute hand. Okay, so you will mark your option as 5 minutes. This is how basically this question you can do. The hour hand will move only 5 minutes, right? Let's move ahead for the next one. Here number divided by q leaves remainder 21, and twice the number divided by q leaves remainder 13. What is the value of q? So very easy question. You can check out the option and you will get your answer. You must be knowing that formula, which is nothing but d, which is nothing but dividend, is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Yes or no? For example, if I say 3 is what your divisor and you are dividing 5 by 3, then 3 1 ja 3. So this 2 will be nothing but your remainder here. 1 is nothing but your quotient, and 5 is nothing but your dividend, and this 3 is nothing but your divisor, right? So these are the things. If you put in this formula, you will get what? This dividend as 5. Okay. So here I'm putting what? Your remainder as 2. Here your quotient is 1, and here it is what? Divisor 3. So you will get 3 1 are 3 plus 2 5. Okay. So this is how basically it is working. In the same way, here also you have to check the option. Okay. So I'm starting with option A, right? So what you will do, you will take your q as, q means nothing but divisor as 29, right? Because you have to find out the value of q, and in option the value of q is given, right? So 29 को क्या करना है, हमें multiply करना है 1 से. Why 1? You can take any value, तो मैंने 1 ले लिया है because it is what very easy, और इसका calculation भी बहुत easily आप कर सकते हो. That is why I have taken first 1. So 29 into 1 plus what is remainder? That is what? 21. So what you will get? You will get your value as 50, which is nothing but your dividend. Okay. Now if you will do twice of this 50, you will get what? 100. And now just divide this 100 by this 29. Are you getting your remainder as 13? If you will get your remainder as 13, that will be your answer. See, 29 3s are, so that will be 7. You will get your remainder as 30. So you can say this will be what? Your answer. If you will check with 30, you will not get 13 as your second remainder. See how? I have taken the value 30 and here quotient 1 as here I assumed, same I have assumed here, right? So 31 ja 30 plus 21. If you will do, you will not get 50, you will get 51, right? What you have to do, you have to do twice of this 51. So you will get what? 102. Now you have to divide this 102 by 30 and you will not get 13 as your remainder, because 30 3s are 90 you will get, and the remainder is nothing but 12. Okay, so you will get your answer, means this 29 is satisfying all the conditions, so here your answer will be 29 only. Let's move ahead. Now here is what the question of series. So how basically you have to do this particular question. Just understand the sequence and you will get your answer easily. See, this is what 5, this is what 13, and this is what 29, this is what 61. So here you can see the gap is very high. So you need to try with multiplication part. Don't go with subtraction or addition, right? So multiplication में क्या हो सकता है? Cube हो सकता है, square हो सकता है, ये सारी चीजें we have to check out. ठीक है? So here if you will observe, you will get what? This is what 5. So 5 is nothing but 2 the cube or 2 का cube minus 3, right? If I talk about 13, then you can say 2 to the power 4 minus 3. 2 to the power 4 is 16. Okay, minus 3, you will get what? 13. If you do 2 to the power 5 minus 3, which is nothing but 32 minus 3, you will get 29. If you do 2 to the power 6, you will get 64 minus 3, you will get what? 61. Now this is what first term, this is second term, this is third term, this is fourth term. We need to find out seventh term. So fourth, fifth, sixth and 7. So power क्या है यहाँ पे? 6 है, यहाँ पे 7 होगा, यहाँ पे 8 होगा, यहाँ पे 9 होगा. So 2 to the power 9 minus 3 we have to find out. So you know the value of 2 to the power 10 is nothing but 1024, which is nothing but 32 का square as well, right? So here हमें क्या करना है? 9 जाना है. So 9 will be nothing but 2 to the power 9 will be nothing but 512, means half of this. Okay, क्योंकि 2 से divide कर लेना. And minus 3 you will do, you will get what? 509 as your answer, right? What our next 5 question we have done. So here you would have seen that how basically we did the question. If you know the basic fundamental without using any formula, you can do the question that we did, right? So hope the video will be very helpful for you, and if you want to join our live preparation batches, you can call the given number. And one more thing, that we have launched our new YouTube channel specifically for TISS. So you can also visit that channel, and you can also get connected with us via Facebook, Insta and Telegram. Link will be in the description. Kindly check out the description box. Okay, that's it for today. All the best for your preparation. Thank you.